100 yard, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright, today is the 26th of November. And Wardrow's fixing to fire off a shot with a big 5.0.
Got some take up in it.
Barrett. Uncle Scott, what's the model number on the Barrett?
Huh?
What's the model number?
82A.
There you go, there's the model number. It's gonna dry fire.
82A1.
Now we're gonna make ready.
It scared me, just dry firing it.
It ain't gonna hurt you.
Let's check that something too.
You ready?
Yeah. God, you're on fire.
You're on fire, Bubba.
It's on fire.
I'm fucking ready.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, you're on camera, watch your mouth.
The trigger, Nick.
Huh?
Get him when he pulls the trigger.
I got the whole thing right now. And we're about ready.
God damn!
It's ready to go again too now, Jack.
Fuck no, it ain't. What it don't say?
Ward, what do you got to say, Bubba?
Fucking knock the taste out of my mouth. Yeah. Are you shooting it, David? No, fuck no. He's just looking. Oh.
There may be a little jump in the camera, I'm just telling you now.
Hey, that motherfucker right there, son, is fucking serious.
Isn't that cool?
Mechanical fucking operation.
Isn't that cool?
That fucker, he's just fucking. Yeah. You can fucking feel it. Where's that fucking brass?